Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to today's live Decoding BankNifty Futures. Today is 14th of June 2023, Wednesday, and the current time is 9 a.m. IST. So let me just quickly share my screen. And first of all, an interesting event, or I would not say event, but something really interesting happened yesterday was, around this three levels. Uh, First of all, we opened yesterday, I think inventory was a bit long. Then we immediately moved lower. We failed to continue below 44,082 level. And this is how, I use the references. What has happened is the supply shut off, and immediately we had a short covering rally, and where the price stabilized, it was around the 44,234 level. So yesterday, but overall, since last 2 days, we are just chopping in a range of 234 to 82. So this is a 200 point range, it is getting chopped off. Previous to that, we were balancing around the 44,000 level. So this is telling me that this is where a lot of buyers have accumulated their positions, and this is where they are distributing their positions. Now today I'm looking for a gap up opening because there are stops at this level, and we have closed around this area. So I'll be looking for some continuation to the higher side, and do we get look above and fail? That is what overall I'm looking at, because when this level broke, so I was looking for continuation lower and to clear this swing level, and the stops which are at this level and also at 930 levels. But it did not happen. What had happened is we immediately reversed, and we had a good short covering rally. And this is where a lot of supply, or a lot of sellers were trapped. And then we had a short covering rally. Okay, so nothing has changed. We are still in the same old business, wherein as the price reaches here, supply shut off. As the price reaches here, supply reactivates. So we're just chopping in this sort of 200 point range. So today the reference areas which I'm looking at is 234, 386 and 82. So 4482, 44234 and 44386. These are the three balance levels where I'm expecting some choppiness and see based on the reaction. Yesterday I lost about, I think, 15% or so. But yeah, I'm fine. It's a small trading account, so 15% is not a bigger. It is a big if you are trading with a bigger account, but for a 20k or 25k, about 3k is what I lost. Okay, so coming back to the bigger picture, right? So below 44,200 is where we have got trapped shorts. Okay, so this is a very important thing to note, because if the price reaches lower, I'm expecting first of all some responsive buying at this 3 HPNs and a reversal. Okay, so these are the areas where supply is trapped, and supply is also even more trapped below the 4482 level or 83 level. Okay, so you have to ask the charts why the price got reversed from this level, because these are simple levels, right? I'm just using simple balance level. Previously, we were just chopping around this. Some distribution happened here, again some more distribution happened here, and now again accumulation happened here, more accumulation happened here, and now some distribution is happening here. Okay, so what is happening is people are acquiring positions here and selling. So they are buying at this level, marking the price up, selling at this level, marking the price down, again buying back, again marking the price up, again selling here, buying here. Okay, so typical trader behavior. So inventory is moving nowhere, we are still stuck. But if I look at yesterday's balance and how the auction developed, the inventory is long. Okay, so who is under the water currently? The sellers are the ones who are still trapped and who are still under the water. Okay, so from a bigger picture, again, just to repeat, we have got trap shorts, and I'm looking for some upside continuation. Failure for upside continuation, it means something has changed in the market, and I'll be looking again for some choppiness in this 200 point range. Okay. Again, similarly, similar. So this is a weekly, monthly, and the yearly. This is where the supply shut off 44.91, and that is also an HVN where we have got a lot of trapped supply. We have also got some supply around 44.300 zones. But yeah, let's see, because this is an HVN and where I'm expecting again some reversal, and this is also a previous week VWAP. We are from the monthly VWAP, we are still above the monthly VWAP. Yearly we are still below the second standard deviation, and we are just overall chopping off. Okay. Now one area which I'd like to share in today's video is the sellers. Basically, who are the option sellers? They are the ones who are the ones who are minting money. So if you see, this is the delta, and overall this is 44,000 put and 44,000 call and 44,000 put. Okay, let me just hide this panel. Now you'll be able to see. Okay, so what I'm looking at is I'm looking at the option chart of 44,000 C and 44,000 P at the money. The close is 44,079. So we'll look at 44,000 and 44,100. So here, if you see, since last 2 days, call prices are below zero, put prices are also below zero. So 44,000 call and put writers are basically enjoying the theta decay. Now if I jump to the 44,100, this is out of the money, so obviously the call will be eroding faster, and 44,100 put. So our put is in the ITM. Okay. So what we see is again similar behavior. Since last 3 days, the calls are the ones which are below zero, whereas if you see the put, they are also below zero. So 44,100, 44,000, both are the zones where the premium erosion is happening fast, and prices are also developing lower. Okay. So I'm expecting again some choppiness, and there is a reason behind why we are balancing and nothing is happening, and it is because of the news or the events which is happening in US. So today yesterday I think there was a CPI numbers came out yesterday, and overall, so actual is 304, so it is more than the forecast. So the consumer price index is higher, which is not a good sign. Today in US we are going to have the producer or some PPI. What is PPI? Producer price index. Sorry, yeah. So we are going to have PPI numbers, and apart from that we are going to have the Fed interest rate decision. Okay. So the forecast is about 5.25%, and also the FOMC and interest rates and also. And 15th is again we are going to have some more jobless data, and there is going to be some Fed speech. Okay. Yeah, so this Fed business and all that stuff. So today is again an eventful day in US. So I'm expecting, first of all, I'm expecting some reaction at 234, and what I mean by that is, do we look above and continue, or do we look above and fail? Because this is my overall trade plan. And if I look at the overall structure, right, so we have got so the pre-open data will be out. I think it is out, but I'm seeing a lot of stops accumulated around the highs, and these are the areas where there are a lot of stops, where the sellers are trapped. Okay, so I'm expecting continuation to the higher side, but let me just open the pre-open data quickly. Okay, so it is opening 100 points up. So yeah, so I was looking for a gap up. We are opening gap up 44,185. So the close was 233. So we are going to open around 333 levels. Okay, so the sellers who are trapped here, so they are the ones who are going to be. So the price is going to open around this, and I'm looking for this particular. So my first plan is this gap to be filled. If it fails, then I'm looking for this level where it looks above and fills the gap. Okay, so for me the gap filling is an important reference level, and also this stops will be taken out. So we are going to open around the above the 300 level. Okay, so this is where we are going to open. So I'm going to look at this, and do we tag or do we take out this particular stop level, and do we reverse? If we reverse, then this will be a good opportunity to short, and I'll be looking for the gap to be filled. Once the gap is filled, then I'm looking for a further up move, because we have got trap shorts below this level, and they will be the one who will be buying, and we will be seeing some responsive buying. So step one, or the first reaction which I'm looking at is responsive sell. If we don't get a responsive sell, then I'll be looking for a continuation and tag this particular level, and if I'll be looking for continuation, if I don't get continuation, if I get this type of reaction, I'll be looking to short and targeting the previous day's high, which is this level. Okay, even if this level is not reached, and if we see reversal and again creating a new higher high, then I'm looking for this point of control, that is around 44,356, and another area is 44,386, which is this level. Okay, so we have got some liquidity at 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yeah, so around 44, so up to 44,000 is where supply will be coming in, and I'll be looking to take those trades. Okay, so that is my overall trade plan. I hope you got the clarity, and let me just minimize this. And now what I'm looking at is, so yes, there are trap buyers, 44,300, 44,320. So we are anyways opening about this level, so this level will be tagged, and then the next area where there are trapped buyers is 44,500. Okay, so from the order flow perspective, from the print, 300, 320, so I'm looking for this level to be cleared first, and I'll be observing the reaction. Okay, so I'll be observing the reaction at 300, this level, this level, this level, and 386. Okay, so this is the zone where supply will be again coming in, reinitiating their positions, and looking to build up their positions. Okay, so that's my overall plan, and so I'm still back with this 25k account, 25,939. I have added 10k because it was 15k, so I have not gained, but I have added 10k to the account because I'm still practicing with this particular trading account. Okay, and yeah, anyways, we are opening gap up, so no point in analyzing the bank nifty components. But yeah, 350, so we have a area point of control. This is where sellers are definitely going to come in. And what is HDFC Bank? Where is HDFC Bank is opening? It is opening 6 points up, so 15, so around 1620. Okay, so I'll just note down the pre-open in my journal. Time is 9:13. 44,181 plus 101 plus 0.23%. So pre-open inventory is long, and overall inventory is long. So sellers are the trap, so supply is trapped. Okay, so and this is the zone. So if you see, this is the zone where there are trapped buyers, and also we are nearing the T+2 high, that is this particular high. Yeah, so that's where I'm again seeing some responsive selling. So the time is 9:14 and the auction will open in next 15 seconds. Okay, so let's see how the price is open. And if you have any questions, yeah, use the chat function. Okay, so we are seeing responsive selling, seeing rejection from the trapped buyers. Now I'm looking for this gap to be filled. And I'll just look at the order, the print. So supply is trapped. I'm looking for this gap to be filled and I'm looking for some responsive buying at this level. Okay, so good supply is coming in. So I have taken a call trade. My buy price is 340 and this is my SL. Yes, my SL got hit. Okay, so the gap is trying to get filled. We have got trapped supply. Now we are seeing continuation lower. I'm adding another call. 333 is my 329, 330. Yeah, the second SL is also hit. So my SLs are getting hit. So 340, 336, 333, 330. Yeah. So we have got trapped buyers and they are the ones who are adding some positions. So 334 is my buying price. I'll make it 331, 332, 3. Yep, SL again getting hit. So supply is coming in. These are just some quick test trades. Overall, I made some about a 1% loss. Okay, so the gap is definitely trying to get filled in. Now I want to book a put, but so this is where we will be seeing some reversals. So I bought it at 328, 627. I'll keep it at my cost. Yep, again I still got hit. So 328 to 328.5. have accepted within the previous day's range and the previous day's value. Yeah, so not taken any trades. So supply is definitely strong. So I'll delete this zones. Okay. Remove this. We have got some unfinished auctions here. Another unfinished auction here, or a gap. Okay, and I'm looking for continuation lower. So the inventory is flat now, and this is previous day's VWAP. We did saw supply shutting off around previous day's VWAP. Okay, so overall I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4 trades and lost about 237, about 1% of the current overall capital for the 25k account. Okay, so let me save this chart. Yeah, so we are having continuation lower. We got trapped buyers here. Let me just hit refresh. Okay, so nice continuation lower seen. So the previous day's VWAP is tagged. Supply is shutting off. Just taking a small trade. Yep, and it is also got it. And the reason why I took the trade is, so I bought it at 285, exited at 281 because I saw rejection at the VWAP. Okay. And yeah, so we are seeing supply getting shut off. Looks like my SL was the one. So we also have got open equal to high. Just remove this. This is from the previous day's range, and I'm looking for supply to come reinitiate. Supply is now definitely coming in. Yeah, so I took few more trades and now I'm in a 2% loss. So I took a put trade after the call trade failed. I took a put trade and this was a bigger SL. Yeah. Anyways. So we are below this reference level. So I have taken a call trade. This is my SL. I entered at 366. And the reason is I'm seeing supply shutting off around previous days VWAP, and I'm looking for this trapped buyers to be taken out. Yep, my SL got hit. Around 600 is, so 366 to 364, yeah. So this is one stop. So if I want to look for a short, I'll be looking to break 44,190. If I want to go for a long, I'll be looking for break 44,255. Unless and until, so this is a choppiness range. What's going to happen? It's going to go up. Premium is going to move by 2-3 points, and my 5-point SL will be hit. So that's what is happening since last Monday. I mean, yesterday also the similar behavior is the reason why I lost about sort of 15%. Okay. But one data point is we are seeing, because previously we had a short covering move, this is where some responsive buying is definitely coming in. Okay, so I'm still active in one trade. $67. $68. My buying price is $370. So I'm just keeping a 2-point SL. So supply is coming in at previous day's close. So I'm looking for a short covering move now, up to and clear this this range. The trap buyers. And we are back within the M period. And look at the premium, 74 to 71, 74 to 71, yeah. So 5 points here and there. So I believe this will be getting hit. Yep, it got hit. Yeah, I'm looking for this level to be broken out. We are back above 44,210. 234 is again where I'm looking for some supply to come in. So it is just chopping in this range. $252, yeah. Yep, this SL also got hit, but yeah, I was not able to capture this move. Okay, so around previous T+2 highs where supply is again shutting off. We did create a new low. Anyways, so yeah. Okay, let me just see if I have any questions. No questions. Okay, but what I'm seeing is good supply getting shut off. The liquidity was hit or below this low because there were people long around the previous day's VWAP and previous day's closes were. So that is the reason why I took a short, because I saw failure to continue higher. Look above previous day's close and fail. As after I entered, it just went down and then it immediately moved up. So my trailing SL, 1 point SL did got hit. Okay. So this is the zone where supply. This is the zone where supply is shutting off. Okay. So just be a bit careful and take your trades based on your risk. Okay. So overall, I have lost about 2% today. In the opening trade. So let's see if I get any more scalping opportunities. If not, I'll call it an end of the day. Okay. So thank you again, and please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you again tomorrow in the live, and I'll decode the open for the Bank Nifty. Okay. So thank you again. Take care, and bye for now.